Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, one of my favorite things to do is fidgets. I love playing with fidgets, I love squishing fidgets, and I love just having little fidgets as like decor, being all cute. This is my fidget bag. Now, I have a lot more than this, but these are my personal favorite things. Of course, the Papa is in here. You already saw that. And then, so not only will I be showing you guys my cool new fidgets, I will also be rating them. So, let's get into this video. Now, this isn't new, but I just want to show you guys this, that I already have. This is one of my favorite fidgets. This is an infinity cube. I love it. I give this a 9 out of 10 because, and the only reason I give it a 9 out of 10 is because if you want to a 9 out of 10. Because if you want to bring this to school, I highly don't recommend that because, as you can see, it makes a lot of noise. So, it wouldn't be really good to bring to class. And it's really small, so you could possibly lose this in a classroom. But if it's at home and you just really want to play with something or like a fidget, highly recommend this. So 9 out of 10. Now that's one of my favorites, but my personal favorite, the thing that I recommend the most, is an infinity cube. Now, and as you can see, before I open that up, I didn't open any of these things. I didn't open this. I didn't open this. I didn't open any of the things. So, yeah, this is actually my brand new favorites. So, this infinity cube, I got Galaxy, which is so cute. So, I rate, now, if it's an actual infinity cube, I like a different infinity cube, I rate it 10 out of 10, but like a different infinity cube, but this infinity cube has a problem. This one, like, it's hard to bend on this end, so I give it a 9 out of 10. It's still tons of fun. You can still play with it. It just can be annoying when you can't always do that. So 9 out of 10 for me. Now, this I've already opened, and I'm pretty sure all the fidget people out there know what this is. Even if you're not a fidget person, if you like watching fidget TikToks, or you could have just heard of this, it is a snapper. And what you do is, just that. So, I give this a 9 out of 10. For the exact same reason that I give this a 9 out of 10. I love this thing. It's so much fun. Really entertaining. The only problem is, again, it's not that small. You can find this. But the problem is, it makes noise. Like, it makes a ton of noise. So, that's the reason why I give it a 9 out of 10. If you're bringing it to school, I give it a 9 out of 10. But if you're bringing it, if you just leave it home, I give it a 10 out of 10. Same with the not infinity cube. Same with the fidget cube. Now, my personal favorite. Now, like I said, this is really cool and it's my favorite, but it's not that cool that it has this loose thing. So, including the loose thing, this is my favorite. Now, I rate this 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Because it doesn't have any problems at school because it's not loud. It's fun. It's entertaining. It's just, it feels really good in your hand. 10 out of 10 for this one. Now, I think you all see what these are. Monkey noodles. Ooh. Now, these are monkey noodles. As you can clearly tell, 10 out of 10 people. 10 out of 10. You know what? 20 out of 10, honestly. Because if you bring it to school, it's a lot of fun. Now, I do have to say, I highly do not recommend you bring these to school. Any of these fidgets to school. And the reason why is not because it's loud, it's not because it's small, it's because it's really distracting. And everybody should be paying attention during school. But you should bring this so you can play with it at recess and lunch. But, love these. Love the cute colors. Love stretching them. On the stretch meter, it gets I think we all know what that is. A 10 out of 10. And with this thing, on the squeeze meter, we give it a 10 out of 10. So, that's the monkey needles. Now, one of my personal favorites. Love these. But, did you see that? The thing that I just showed was my personal favorite. Now, like I said, this and this are also my personal favorites, but I like this, I like what I just showed you, and I like this. I like all of them. I also really like this. Now, if we're talking about school here, I think we all know what I'm going to give these for school. Honestly, a 0 out of 10, because listen, like, loud. Yeah. So, 0 out of 10 if you're talking about bringing it to school. If you're talking about just at home and fun, 10 out of 10. It's fun to just do that with. It's fun to just put together and stretch. And they come in many different colors. One of my favorite things to do is, sorry, I took them lined up. Pop them all at once. So much fun. So, talking about just doing it at home, 10 out of 10. If we're talking about doing it at school, just listen. Okay, to any teachers out there, if they're watching this video, to any teachers out there, would you like to hear this in the middle of your class? Yeah, you probably wouldn't. So, don't recommend bringing them to school, but do recommend just having fun with them at home. They're very entertaining, very fun to play with. Definitely recommend. Now, I have to point you down here right now to show you this. Now, I didn't want to tell you guys yet because I didn't know if you knew, but I got mochis, and here's what we're going to do. We're going to open all of them up, and I'm going to rate them all on the cute factor. I'm going to rate them all on the squeeze factor, and then I just also want to show you guys what I got. So, let's get straight into this. So, my scissors, got these out. Okay. So, sorry if you guys can't see my face right now. It's the only way I can get the right angle to show you guys what these are. You know what? I'll just point this up here and show you guys what I'm opening one by one. Now, by the look of it, I think, no, I'm positive because of the tail. It is a little piglet. So cute. On the stretch factor, I give it a decent 4 out of 10. On the cute factor, I give it a 10 out of 10, people. This is the most cutest thing I've ever seen. Well, I can't say that because there's a lot more to look at. But, that is very cute. So, do you guys see this right now? Okay, let's open. There it is. Oh my gosh. It's a turtle. It is a turtle. Now from this it looks like a duck, but on the back, pretty sure it's a turtle because it has like a little shell. If you guys have any other things that you could say that it might be that looks like a duck but has a turtle shell in it, definitely recommend for you guys to please tell me in the comments so I can figure it out. I'll try my best to turn the comments on. So yeah. But yeah, so cute, so cute. So on the stretch factor, stretches farther than the last one. I will give it a 5 out of 10. On the cute factor, I think we all know what that means. 10 out of 10! She's so cute. Okay. Now, one second. I'm trying to get my things so I can put them inside of this thing so I don't lose them. Because I cannot lose my most precious things ever. Okay. So. I'm putting if you guys see me put anything to the side, I'm putting my absolute favorites to the side, okay? Now, I'm going to be opening something that I don't know at all what this is. And it'd be really nice if you guys could tell me in the comments, what is this? It's cute and I like it. It's fun to like put your thumb through it. But what is it? Now, I'm going to give this a 0 out of 10 for just being a mochi. And it's not because I don't know what it is. It's not because I don't think it's cute. It's because I just opened these things and I stretched it and it's already broken. But on the stretch feature, I broke it. I give it a decent 6 out of 10. On the cute factor, I can't say because honestly, I don't even know what it is, and if I don't know what it is, I can't really say if it's cute or not. By the face, I kind of think it's cute. I'm definitely throwing this away, not because I don't like it, but because it broke. It broke in the back, and it broke its little hat thing off. What is this? Ugh. Okay. It was cute, though. It was cute. I'm sorry, I'm opening all my favorites at the very last, and that was probably my most favorite, other than one more. So yeah. So I know what this is, and it's actually adorable. I love it. It's so cute. You guys ready? I don't think you're ready. It's a strawberry! I don't know why I saved this for the last. I don't know why I didn't save this for the last because it is so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. Alright. I give this a 10 out of 10. It is so cute. I give it a 10 out of 10 on the cute factor. Sorry. A 10 out of 10 on the cute factor. On the stretchy factor, I give it like a 2. Like it can kind of stretch, but not really much. So I give it like a 2 on the stretch factor. But on the cute factor, I definitely give it a 10. my face, I think you guys already know that this is adorable. I love this with all my heart. It's so cute. If you can't tell, the cherries, it's so cute. I love it. I give it a 9 out of 10. And the only reason I give it a 9 out of 10 and not a 10 out of 10 is because why doesn't the other side have a face? It goes from face to no face. Why? That's the only reason I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. But it is adorable. I do love it. Meh. Thank you right there. Okay guys, I'm gonna need your help. I'm gonna actually need your actual help because I have no idea what this is. Oh, since this thing is already broken, I'm probably gonna throw it away. Let's cut its little hand off. Just to see what it looks like inside. I know it's probably just silicone, but we're just gonna check it out. Now yes, I would probably give it to one of you guys out there if I just didn't like it, but it's not that I don't like it, which is why I'm cutting it. It's that it broke. So, yeah. But that's what it looks like inside here. I'll cut it more. That's how it looks like inside, just straight up silicone. Not much. And now let's cut open its little hat. Oh, this is kind of cool. It's blue inside. The brown hat is blue inside. It's kind of cool. Now, I need your help. I don't know what this is. Do you know what this is? It's cute. I can say that. It's cute. I like it. I just don't know what it is. So if you guys out there can tell me what this is, I'll put it up there. If you guys can tell me what that is in the comments, that would be amazing. I know I'm putting a lot to the side, but all these things are just so cute and so my favorite. It's hard not to put every single thing at the side. Now, I'll be honest with you guys. Can't exactly tell what it is, but I know that it is the cutest thing I've ever seen! Look. Look! I don't know what it is, but it is cute! And that's all that matters! Wait. Is that a raccoon? I don't think that's a raccoon. It's cute though. I like it. Guys, this thing used to be full to the top, and it only has like a couple things in it. We have a lot to go. This is actually so cute. Now, I'm literally positive that you guys probably saw this, but it's actually so cute. You see what it is? It's a ducky! Oh my god, I love it. It's adorable. I'm a little ducky. I'm a little ducky. I'm a little ducky. It's so cute. 10 out of 10 on the cute feature. A decent, like 4 out of 10 on the stretch feature. We love her. I love her. Definitely give that a 10 out of 10. Now this is the exact same thing as what I just showed you guys, but it's in a different pose, so I guess I should show you. Wait, no. Wait, that was a rubber ducky. This is a chicken. I love it. It's a chicken. Cheeky, 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 cheeky. Wait, that's not a chicken. I'm sorry, I don't know my animals. But it's cute. Mwah. Sure. Okay. Let's see. No. No. This is the most cutest thing ever. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm going to cry of cuteness. So cute. Love it. Now, obviously, it is like a 3 out of 10 on the stretch factor. 10, you know what? 1,000 out of 10 on the cute factor. You guys don't, and if anybody doesn't know what they are, or if anybody is like, why don't you set up what it is or something? It is a bear, obviously, and I love him. Now, we have 2 more things to open, and then we get to the cute stuff, or the things that I think is the most cute. Probably shouldn't have done that, because now I don't know. Okay, I don't think I put that there. Okay. I love it. I haven't even opened it yet, and I can already tell that I love it. It is clearly a fish. And it is so cute. I love it. Now in the stretch feature, I'm going to have to give this like a 6 out of 10 for its tail and kind of its body. But for the tail, I give it a 6 out of 10. For the body, I give it like a 2 out of 10. But yeah. 9 out of 10 on the cute factor just because I don't know what it's eating. So, yeah. Flop. Now let's get into the cute things. Okay. So I'm saving the cutest, like the things that I find the most cute, and my actual like favorite animals for the last. Okay. Let's open you first. I'm kind of having trouble getting it out of here. Where is the room? Ah, there we go. Okay. Because obviously I need room. I can't just cut it and make it to where it gets cut. But I love it. It is going to be living on my head for the rest of this video. Because it's just so cute. It is a Toto! I love Toto! Staying on my head. There you go, baby. No! Yep. Now, this one is actually now to some. What's that? So, some people it doesn't look as cute. To me, I love it. I actually legit love it. I did realize how... Now, I'll be honest with you guys. On TikTok, I've seen this like many times. On TikTok. And I thought, ew, that looks creepy. I was wrong. I was completely wrong. It is so cute! It is the sun. I love it. I give it a decent. Oh, I didn't even wait. This one. I give the turtle a 6 out of 10 for the stretch, and a 10 out of 10 for the cute food. I'm not gonna do any of the cute ones of cute factor just because I literally call them cute ones. I literally put them in a separate pile because they're the cutest ones in my opinion. So they're not gonna get a cute feature because all the cute ones that I'm opening right now are 10 out of 10. So yeah. This is a sun and I love it. For the stretch feature, I give it a decent, like, 5.5 out of 10. For the Q factor, I give it a... Wait, why did I say Q factor? I forgot. I'm not doing Q factor. You can hang out right near the turtle. You and turtle will be best friends. Okay. This, I'm waiting for last because it's actually one of my favorite animals. So, yeah. Same with this. Sorry, guys. Wait. Oh. Put the wrong thing back there. Sorry. I find this so incredibly cute. And I love it. She's going to be right there. Now. She is a bunny! I love her. She is adorable. She's pretty. She's pink. In case you guys didn't know, my favorite color is pink. Boom. 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 Literally, I have pink flowers in my room. I have a pink backpack. I have a pink blanket. I love the color pink! So, yeah. So this is cute. It is pink. I love it. It'll be right there. Why is this there? Now, I can't. I genuinely can't. This, on just the fact, sorry, I'm so sorry. On just the fact of it being like just an amazing mochi, I give it a 10 out of 10 because the texture of it on its back feels literally amazing. I love the texture. It's so comfy. The cuteness of it is so cute. Like, it's so amazing and cute. The stretchiness, pretty good. I rate it like a 3 out of 10. Now, you guys don't even know what it is yet, so I'll tell you. It is a cute little... I can't tell if it's a hedgehog or a porcupine. I don't know which one. I don't care. It's cute! I love it! To everybody who doesn't have a porcupine or a hedgehog mochi, get one now. Finish this video and then go onto Amazon and then buy this because the texture, number one, is amazing. I love the texture. It's actually really cute. And I love the texture. It's actually like really, really satisfying. Now, don't go touching a real porcupine or hedgehog out there. They hurt. They have spikes in them. Don't. But it's cute. It's stretchy. Kind of. I love it. You'll hang it right there. You have the chopper phone. Now, in my opinion, the cutest ones. It's time for the cutest ones, in my opinion. Sorry, baby. I'll put all of you on top of the box of monkey rolls. Wait. Did I forget something? Oh, I did. Okay. I'll do the one that I forgot after this video. Oh, wait, not after the video. After the other mochis. In case, to all you guys out there who don't know what these are called, the cutest. To me, they're called the cutest things on earth because that's what they are. But they're actually called mochis. So, let's get into my opinion of the cutest mochis. I'm sorry. I can't. It's actually adorable. It's another cute, sweet bunny! I love it. It's cute. I love the color. I love the pinkness inside of it. Again, I love pink! I love it. So cute. 10 out of 10. So. Okay. Oh, and after this video, I will be posting another video of fidget ASMR. So, stay tuned for that in my next video. So. What are you? Stop. No. Okay, this is my favorite animal. Now, before I show you this, I want all you guys to pause the video, go down to the comments, and type what you think my favorite animal is. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. I love dogs. They're the cutest things ever. Wait, I have a dog. Jack! Jack! He might be living with my mom. You guys have already met him. He's a cutie pie. So, yeah. This is the dog. I'm actually dying of cuteness right now. It's so cute! Look at it. So cute. I'm going to put you gently right there. I love it. Now, did you guys really think that I wouldn't put this in the things that I thought was cutest? No. Of course I would. There was a second one. Again, feels amazing of the texture. Love the color. The color was why I chose to put this one back there and just show you guys that one. Love it. So cute. It's cute. It's pink. It's really it's like really squishy. And love the texture. 10 out of 10. You know what? Instead of scissors, I love doing that. No! Oh, and if you guys are wondering why I keep drinking water, it's because I don't think it is as water. I think it is as every single time I drink this, it means that this thing is so cute that I can't bear it. Love it. It is another amazing, cute dog. Love it. You know what, guys? I can't say anything about it. It's just so cute. I honestly have nothing to say about it. You guys, it's the exact same thing as the other dog. So cute. Love it. Love the color. Love the cute little face. Yeah. What are you? Are you what I think you are? Okay, guys, so I think this is a cute little pig, but it doesn't really have the tail like the actual last pig did. So, but I think it's big. Cute little pig. Same as the last one. Love it. Cute, sweet, fun to squish. Yeah. Now, the next one. Okay, look. I'll show you something. Did you see it? If you didn't, rewind the video, pause. I'm gonna let you guys guess what my mom's favorite animal is. Now I just opened what my mom's favorite animal is. You have 2 seconds to guess. 1, 2. Love it. It is adorable. I love it. I love squishing it. It's so cute. I love it. That's my honest opinion. I love it. Yo. Now this is me and my mom's favorite animal. It's so cute. It's an elephant! I love elephants. They're so cute. I love squishing them. I love their cute little face. I love elephants! Elephant. It's cute. It's squishy. It's stretchy. Love it. Honestly, I can't say anything about it. It's just cute. That's all I can say. Now, this is my mom's second favorite animal. Yeah. Do you guys see that? Okay, I'll give you. You can pause this video and guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. Panda! So cute. Love it. I haven't even opened it yet. Let's open it. God, that was hard to squish open. It is actually adorable. I love it. You guys can't say that you do not love this and that you haven't fallen in love with any of these things, because I can say that I have. And honestly, they're all so cute. Oh, I had one more. Oh, I think this was the other thing that I thought was cute, but I just put it aside. Don't really know what it is. I think it's a little piggy. It's cute. That's all I have to say about it. And the only reason I'm not saying more about it is because I'm excited to get into this one. It's so cute. It is a unicorn. It's a pink unicorn. Unicorn. Again, love the color pink. Pink. I actually have I don't know if you guys can see. I actually have a pink unicorn backpack. I love my favorite. I actually do have another unicorn backpack right there. If you ask me which one is my favorite, a mermaid or a unicorn, I have to say both, because honestly, I love both. I love unicorns. I love mermaids. Both so cute. I love it. So, I can't believe I'm saying this, and I'm also, and not only can I not believe that I'm saying this, and I'm also sad to be saying this, but that was the last mochi, you guys. That was it. My mom is gonna kill me for how much like trash there is. I'm gonna have to clean this all up. Okay, now, I actually did say that I forgot something. I'm gonna go get the thing that I forgot and show you guys what it is. What is this? Oh, that's not a monkey noodle. And it. Know what that was? Sorry, guys. It seems like I can't find the other thing. Here, guys, give me 1 second. Oh my gosh. Guys, wait, it might be right there. Oh my gosh, guys, you won't believe this, but there were more mochis in the box. I think you guys know what I'm going to be doing. Or just the same thing that I've already opened. It's the piglet that you guys already seen. This one is a little, I have no idea what this is, but it's cute. I'm trying to hurry this up because this video is getting really long. Sorry about that. So, for this, I don't like this one. If you guys want this, I'll like do a giveaway or something, but I don't like this. It's a shrike. I hate shrikes. Yeah. Don't really like it. It's so cute. Guys, it's a little, like, it's a little dinosaur, I think. Wow. 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 Wait. Are these scented? Okay, so those aren't. Where's one? I just. Guys, I think these are scented because this legit smells like bubblegum. Wow. I think they're scented. I'll look on Amazon and see if they are. But this legit smells like bubblegum. And one final one. This is the last one, you guys. It also kind of smells like bubblegum. It is a little snail. It's so cute. I love it. It's stretchy. It's cute. I love it. Love. Now, I did say that I already opened this because it is. I did. It's a piggy, just like the last one. But I am going to still open this and show you guys to see if this also smells like freaking bubblegum. Because I'm telling you guys, that smells like bubblegum. And this smells like bubblegum too. Okay. Now, don't get these because these don't smell like bubblegum. But these things do. So all, I think it was like a 12-pack of these things that smell like bubblegum. So, try to search up 12-pack, try to search up 12-pack mochis and see if you can find the scented ones. And if they say scented, also let me know. Because I really want to know, are these scented? Okay, well, that's the last thing. Sorry guys, this video was so long. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye!